Dear students, welcome to the introductory session of 4th lecture on Verilog for our DLD course. In the last lecture, we have discussed about different modeling style in Verilog, behavioral, structural or gate and data flow. In this session, we will talk those styles using a single example, that is multiplexer. Particularly, this multiplexer can be designed or represented in a behavioral way, structural way, or gate based or data flow as well. So in the first case, in the main function part of the Verilog program, we can use a case kind of structure of Verilog in which we can describe the behavior of mux. If the selection line is 0 0, then output is equal to first input and so on. We can alternatively also use other structure like if else. Here it will be easy from programmer perspective because it is somewhat close to the natural language, but it will be difficult for the synthesizer to create a netlist because nothing is described in terms of what kind of gates are required or any interconnection of those. In another case, that is structural or gate modeling styles, if the required design can be represented in terms of sub-blocks, sub-modules, then those blocks, sub-blocks or sub-module can be called, and accordingly we can have a top module. Here in this example, AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate are called as a, we can say, component, and accordingly the structure of 4x1 multiplexer is realized. You can observe NOT gate is called 2 times, AND gate is called 4 times, and OR gate is called 1 time. If a gate is called, then we can call it as a gate modeling. Instead of gate, if any other design block we are using, then it is a structural modeling. This is a little difference. In case of gates are not required to design because it is available in Verilog. It is Verilog primitives, so we can use them directly. Otherwise we have to design other block and then only they can be called in our top design. In the data flow, equation is written. It is consist of some operation like here ending and oring and complementing operation is there. So this is nothing but a multiplexer formula, that is the output is equal to S1 dash S0 dash I0 plus second term, third term and last term will be S1 S0 I3. So if we are expressing the behavior of the circuit using equation, then it's a data flow modeling styles. In structural and data flow, both cases, while writing the code, we must have some idea about its internal, or we can say hardware perspective. And as it is written in the way, the synthesizer has is required less effort to realize corresponding netlist. Thank you.